Good evening, my dear students, and welcome to my class. This is Miss Sunaina, and once again, I would like to welcome you all. Today, we are going to do a very interesting chapter. But before that, I would like to know from you what were we doing in our previous class. So, if anybody can answer me, kindly raise your hand. What were we doing in our previous class? Right. Yes, Kumar Razveer, kindly unmute yourself.
Yes, Miss
What were
Noun.
we doing in your previous lesson?
Miss Noun.
Noun, very good. So, mute yourself, right. Thank you so much for the response. So, once again, let me revise the chapter for you. This is what we were doing in our previous class. Noun, it is a name of a person, place, things, or animals. Okay, example also, I would like to tell you, revise you. It can be any person. It can be Rahul. It can be Shah Rukh Khan. It can be doctor. It can be a friend. It can be a girl. Okay, so name of persons, right? And place, like places like Purnia, Patna, school, classroom, hospital, any of the places. And things like, I also have got thing here. See, this is a marker. And this is also a thing. This is a mobile, right? And it is a stick. So things, these are also noun. And another thing is animals. It can be cow, it can be dog, monkey, elephant, ox, whatever. Okay. And we had also learned about 5 different kinds of nouns. What are they? They are proper noun, they are common noun, material noun, collective noun, abstract noun, right? So this was the revision, and today, before we start a new chapter, I would like to read this paragraph for few minutes. Please read it and take special notice of the words which I have highlighted in red color. It has a special purpose. See, here we are going to learn about noun on special characters Dora and cat. And these words, highlighted words, are going to tell you something about that noun, that is cat. So kindly read it in silence for 2 minutes and then we will proceed further. Take your time. After you are done, kindly raise your hand either, or you can send me in the chat box that you have completed reading the thing. You can raise your hand once you have completed. Have you completed, Pragati? Okay, yes. I can see that some of you have already completed. All right, now let me know from you, what did you notice, really notice here when you were reading this paragraph? What were these highlighted words telling us about? About whom was this word talking to us? Who can tell me? Anyone? Yes. Who can tell me? Yeah, Rasveer.
Miss, these words are telling about the cat, about Dora's cat, and these words are abstract noun.
Okay, excellent, excellent, Rasveer. Very good. These words are actually talking about the particular noun, that is cat. Okay, these now see something about my sweet cat. How is her cat? Dora's cat? It is sweet. I have a little and thin cat. How does it look? It is little and it is very thin. And she's young. Okay, she's not old cat, but she's young and she's so adorable. She's so beautiful. And what is the color also we can know? It is white and has a black spot on its body, somewhere on its body. And also it tells about its tail. It has a long and furry tail. So it must be very lovely, isn't it? Now we can imagine. I call her Angel. Dora has named this cat Angel. Angel likes to nap. She naps on my round, soft cushion. What kind of cushion? It sleeps on, takes nap in a round, soft cushion. She's so cute and beautiful. Once again, these words tell us that the cat is very cute and beautiful. She's cute and lovely, right? So all these highlighted words told us all about that beautiful cat which belongs to Dora, right? Now, all those words were describing, telling us more about Dora's cat. He did not say that I have a cat. Dora did not say that I have a cat. She did not finish there, but she described it using different words, right? So that describing word is called adjectives. So today's topic of ours is adjectives, which is also called describing words. Just now we did, no? Those highlighted words, all those highlighted words were describing the little cat. Understood? Did you understand till here? Yes? Please raise your hand. Okay, thank you for the response. Understood, children, till here? All the describing words are called adjectives. Now, I would like to help you with more things. We have a very helpful teaching aid here that is called Class Age. From there, I would like to show you a video. Okay, kindly be online. I'd like to share you interesting video from Class Age. Which will help you to understand more about adjectives, right? Kindly be online for 2 minutes. By then, you can open your grammar book. By the time I open this Class Age, you can be ready with the topic adjective, page number 51, lesson 14. Are you ready? Be ready with your book, your pencil, and eraser. It's almost done, children. I hope you are ready. Are you ready, children, with the book? Lesson 14, page number 51. See here. Just to help you understand better, I would like to play from here. Kindly pay attention. Just introduction. What is adjective? Although I have explained to you, but this passage will help you better to understand.
Here are pictures of a girl,
See,
a snake,
a girl
a
is there,
classroom, and a balloon.
a snake.
Here are some words: red, empty, tall, long. Choose a word that tells you more about each.
Wait a second. See here. You can see in the picture, a girl is there. Noun, no? Noun. We have already learned in a previous lesson what is noun. So girl is a noun, snake is a noun, classroom is a noun, balloon is a noun here. You can see. Now, we have to, what I had told you in the beginning, kindly do not write anything on the board, okay? So girl, snake, classroom, balloon. These are the nouns. Now we have to describe these nouns. Otherwise, we don't know what kind of girl, what kind of snake, what kind of classroom, and what kind of balloon, right? So when you use, see, for your help already, these 4 words are given, okay, which will describe these nouns. So if we choose tall girl, then we will understand, oh, the girl is tall. So it describes the noun girl. Now snake, I saw a snake. While coming back to home, I saw a snake. Then your mother will not understand what kind of snake he saw on the way. So if you say long snake, then mother will say, oh my God, my son, my daughter came across a long snake. Luckily, he was not hurt. Fine. Classroom, whether it is a beautiful, whether it is empty, we don't know. So let us continue with the video.
Picture. Click a word and then click the correct blank to describe each picture. When you're done, click submit. You have 20 seconds to complete this exercise. Your time starts now.
Okay, see here. It is interesting or not? Now, I will not do here, but I want you to complete it, okay? So somebody help me. Yeah. Lucy, could you unmute yourself? Lucy? Lucy?
Yes, miss.
Yes. So what do you think? Which word will describe this balloon? Dash balloon.
Miss empty.
Balloon.
Sorry, miss. Red.
Yes, very good. So Lucy gave correct answer. Very good. Excellent. Next, let us hear from Akanksha also. Akanksha, could you unmute, please?
Yes, miss.
So Akanksha, what do you think? Dash classroom.
Empty classroom.
Excellent. We shall clap for Akanksha also. That's very good, girl. Right. Okay. So girl and snake, I had already solved for you. That's why I will not ask anyone. But don't worry. I have more exciting pictures for you to share. Fine. Now let us go back I will share more pictures with you. See here. See here, this is a boy. Okay, boy. I said boy. Boy is a noun, but I don't know what kind of boy it is. So you please help me. Send me in the. Yes, you are already laughing. No, you are already laughing looking at the boy. Fine. So I would like to know from you all. Send me what do you see in this boy? How will you describe this boy? Send me in the chat box, please. Send me in the chat box, please. Yeah. Send me in the chat box. How will you describe this boy? We can see. Excellent. Aman has written fat boy. Yeah. Most of you have written Mariam, Pragati, then Kumar, Razveer. They have written that he is a fat boy. Okay. So that's very good. Very good. Yes. This is, he's a fat boy. Yes, right. Right answer. Let's go to next. See here. How will you describe this? Once again, we will take help of the chat box. Please send me message in the chat box. How will you describe this man? Tall man. Yeah, most of you have. Kumar Razveer has written, Rishabh Patel has written, Akanksha has written tall man, okay? All right, then Aman Kumar Jha has also written tall man. Yes, very good. So, yes, we find this man very tall. So, tall noun is man. Now you tell me, which is the adjective here? Tall man. Which is the adjective? Which word describe this man particularly? Tell me in the chat box. Excellent. Yes, tall. Tall is the adjective. Yes. Pragati, Kumar, Rajbir, Mariam. Excellent. That's correct answer. Yes, Rishabh Patel, Lucy Priya, Aman Kumar Jha. Excellent children. Very good. Now, one more picture. You want to see one more picture? Here. How will you describe this now? Which describing word will you use for this mango? Chat box. Yes, start. I'm already in the chat box. I have not got even one message. Yeah, yes. Sweet mango, ripened mango, juicy mango. Yes, fresh mango. Very good. Pragati writes fresh mango. Akanksha writes juicy mango. Mariam also writes juicy mango. Very good. Yes. More answers. Some have written ripe mango. Yes, see how many words we used. Some wrote juicy, some wrote fresh, some wrote ripe, some wrote yellow. That's very correct. So all these words described a single noun, that is mango. That's very good. Now one more picture I'd like to share with you. See, please. What is this? Cotton. So how will you, different words can describe this picture. Different answers. Yeah, one I have already got. Excellent. See, very good. Lucy has written white cotton. Wow, very good. Pragati, soft cotton. Excellent. Aman has also written white cotton. Yes, good. Then one more, soft cotton. Very good. Mariam also has written. Good. Soft cotton, white cotton, fresh cotton. Beautiful, isn't it? And different words, we all of us use different words to describe this cotton, single image, no? So those describing words are the what? Adjectives. Okay. Now I want you to see this one. Look at the screen here. You can see one man here. You can see one man here. You can see one man here. I will show you closer. Can you see? Can you see the man? A man who is singing a song. Please see carefully. Okay? Right? You have seen, no? Now you describe this man. Describe this man. Describe this man. Okay, he's enjoying. So, then write joyful. He is joyful. Then, next, old man. Excellent. He is old man. Next, from you only I am getting the answer. Describe. Don't say what he is doing, but tell me what kind of man he is. He is old man. Okay, then now see. Okay. Yeah. More people have written. He is old man. Okay. He is old man. He is joyful man. And see, look at his dresses. How he has worn his dress. So, looking at his dress, what can you say? He is dirty or he is neat? He is tidy. A happy man. Excellent. Who's this? Mariam. Yes. Happy man. Happy. He is happy man. And she also said he is smart man. Yeah, he's smart man. He's smart man. Next, all the answers I am getting from you only. Yes, he is tidy. Tidy. Yeah, and more answers? More answers from you? Yes, yes. Neat and clean. Excellent. He is neat and clean. Now you see, to describe a single person, how many words we use? Joyful, he is an old man, he is a happy man, he is a smart man, he is a clean man, he is a tidy man. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words we use here just to describe the noun man. Understood? So, these describing words are called adjectives. These adjectives describe whom? Or noun or a pronoun. Got it? Did you understand? How many of you understood? Let me see. Those who have understood, please raise your hand. Those who have understood? Yes. Very good. Thank you for the response. Yes, good. Excellent. Now, you have raised your hand. So, let me know whether you have really understood or not. Okay. For that, let me show you one thing. What am I going to show you? One activity we'll do once again. What will we do? What activity we'll do? What activity we'll do? This is see. I have written a paragraph for you. This one you will read and you will tell me later on which are the describing words here. Okay, children, please go through this. I will give you 4 minutes for you. 4 minutes for you. First, now you please don't send me any message. Now you just go through this paragraph and then we will discuss what are the adjectives that we have gone through this. Understood? You have to note down which are the adjectives here. Suppose first one, Ria and Nidhi are good friends. Okay, first sentence, Ria and Nidhi are good friends. You note down which is the adjective there. If it is good, note it down. If it is friends, note it down. Understood? So after finishing, we will discuss which are the adjectives here. You have still 2 minutes. Now few seconds left. Okay. Now time up. Time up. I will call out your name, then you will unmute and then you will tell me. Otherwise, you can send me in the chat box. Okay. Yes. Ria and Nidhi are good friends. Which is the adjective here, children? Send me in the chat box, please. You have already written the answer. Yeah. Now line by line. Yes. So you have written, this is the adjective here. See. Ria and Nidhi are good friends. Okay. Like this, we have to I will call out your name, then you can answer me. Yes, Jasnavi, 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 unmute yourself. Jasnavi, all right, maybe she is not getting proper connection. Richa Pearl, Risha Patel, Risha Patel, Risha Patel, kindly unmute yourself. Okay, no problem. Aman Kumar Jha.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Aman, Number 2, they go to the same school, read in the same class. They are both intelligent students, although they differ in characters. Which is the adjective here? Aman?
Miss Intelligent.
Excellent, yes. Aman Kumar, very good. Huh? So this intelligent is the adjective. Excellent. Good boy. Next, let me ask to, many are raising hand. Rishabh was not getting connection that time. Yes, Rishabh. Rishabh, unmute yourself, please. Yes, can you hear me? Rishabh? Rishabh? Network problem. No problem. We will go to another person and then we can. Priya.
Yes, Miss.
Riya is a polite and kind girl. She is calm and well-mannered. Which are the adjectives here?
Miss Adjective.
Yeah.
Miss Kind.
Okay, kind. And Riya is a polite and
Kind.
kind girl.
Polite and kind.
Good, excellent. And I also asked another paragraph, another line, that is, she is calm and well-mannered. She is calm and well-mannered.
Miss Calm and Well.
Excellent, excellent, Lucy. Very good girl. Huh? This calm and well-mannered both are. These are describing girl, which is. Now, Rishabh Patel, can you hear me? Could you please unmute yourself? Okay. Now, next. Rishabh is not able to. Yes, Akanksha. Akanksha.
Yes, Miss.
She is hard working and honest girl. Which are the adjectives here, Akanksha?
Miss Honest.
Honest, very good. One more.
Hard.
Hard. Only hard. She is hardworking and honest girl.
Miss Hardworking and Honest.
Excellent. Yes, Akanksha. So like this, you understood, no? You understood. That means you have really understood the topic today. Yes, am I right? Now let me tell you once again.
Yes, Miss.
Good. What are the adjectives? Adjectives are the describing words. Adjectives are the describing words.
Describing word.
Yeah, very good. So once again, let me show you. See, adjectives are the describing words. It tells us more about nouns or pronouns. So did everyone understand? Any questions? Did everyone understand this? What is adjective?
Yes, miss.
Very good. All right. So today's session, anybody, if you have any confusion, later on when you revise the chapter, if you get any confusion, then in next class, you can put up the questions, you can note down, and in the next class, you can ask me and get clarified. Understood? So today we did all about adjectives. In the next class, we will be doing more about kinds of adjectives. What are the different kinds of adjectives? Okay, children, did you understand? So
Yes,
today,
Miss.
what is your
Yes,
work?
miss.
Your work is to revise what we have learned today.